In Russia, there's no end to anti-Putin protests, it seems. The trial of Kremlin critic Alexei Navalny is underway. As we speak, a court hearing is on. It may send Navalny to jail for 3.5 years. Let's begin with images from the Moscow City Court. Navalny arrived at court escorted by Russian police officials, handcuffed but smiling, talking to his legal team. Those present at the court say that he was heard asking if his wife Yulia will be attending the hearing. Outside the court, Navalny's supporters gathered by the hundreds to express solidarity, but there was not much reason to smile for them. The Russian police did not like their presence. It began detaining the supporters. Last we checked, some 237 people had been detained. What for? To maintain law and order, says the police. The supporters say it is the authorities that have turned lawless.
I don't know if it is possible to have any other opinions on the Navalny case. This is a lawless trial. A man detained without a reason. This is a politically motivated prosecution. If you are following the rallies in Navalny's support, there's nothing to add, I believe.
The only possible option here is that this trial is a sham. Like many other trials in Russia, this is a politically motivated case, obviously. The person was poisoned in Russia, but that crime is not under investigation.
As the detentions were underway, Navalny's wife Yulia arrived at the court accompanied by her lawyer. She did not make any statements. Reports say that she will not anymore. She will not talk to the press. Why? Because Yulia has been fined for attending protests. She has been ordered to pay 20,000 rubles. The charge is that she organized an unsanctioned and unlawful rally which disrupted daily life in Moscow. Speaking of unlawful, the Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov is blaming Western powers of unlawful meddling in Navalny's hearing. The allegation comes after a number of cars with diplomatic license plates were seen parked outside the Moscow City Court. The images are on your screen. According to the court, these cars belong to foreign diplomats from at least 13 Western countries, 13. In a statement to the Russian state media, the court claimed that diplomats from the Czech Republic, Austria, Lithuania, Norway, Sweden, the Netherlands, the United States, Canada, Germany, Switzerland, Britain, Latvia and Poland were present at Navalny's hearing. Also several representatives from the European Union. Is this why Navalny was smiling? Well, we don't know, and that's besides the point. The point here is that the mighty Russian state says the West is trying to contain it. Listen to the statement by Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov.
We have not received any information that really shows justifiability of accusations against Russian authorities. If you accuse someone, you should prove their guilt. If you say we are not going to tell you anything because it is classified or the patient himself does not give his permission, then we have all the reasons to consider Navalny's poisoning as being staged.
So we have a smiling critic on trial, never-ending protests and accusations of foreign meddling. What an interesting turn of events for Russia. Who would have thought that Russia, which has always been accused of meddling in the affairs of the West, will end up leveling the same charges against them? And we're just 1 month and 2 days into 2021. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.